Hey glow-getters! Welcome back to the channel where we reveal the beauty secrets of your favorite celebs. Today, we're diving into Margot Robbie's skincare and tanning routine. Known for her radiant golden glow, Margot relies on a combination of self-tanning products and skincare essentials to achieve her signature look without spending hours in the sun. Before we get into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more celebrity beauty secrets. Now let's see how Margot keeps her skin glowing and beautiful. Margot loves a bronzed look, but she's careful to avoid sun damage. Instead of tanning beds or direct sun exposure, she uses self-tanning products to achieve her golden glow. One of her favorites is Saint Tropez Self-Tan Classic Bronzing Mousse, which she applies to create a subtle, natural tan. This mousse provides an even finish and is known for being streak-free, making it perfect for achieving that sun-kissed look. To get the best results, Margot follows a few essential steps before applying her self-tanner. She exfoliates her skin with a gentle scrub to remove any dead skin cells and create a smooth canvas. This is key to avoiding streaks or patchy areas. After exfoliating, Margot applies a light moisturizer to dry areas like her elbows, knees, and ankles, which helps her tan apply evenly and last longer. Even though she loves a bronzed look, Margot is serious about sun protection. She applies SPF daily to protect her fair skin from UV damage, especially since she often has to maintain a healthy, glowing complexion for film roles. She chooses broad-spectrum sunscreens with a lightweight feel that don't leave a white cast, keeping her skin both protected and camera-ready. Margot believes that hydrated skin is the foundation of her glow. She uses hydrating serums and moisturizers with ingredients like hyaluronic acid to keep her skin plump and radiant. On top of that, she's a fan of creamy, nourishing moisturizers that add a dewy finish, giving her skin a naturally luminous look. Margot also uses face oils occasionally, especially when her skin needs an extra boost of hydration. When it comes to makeup, Margot loves to keep things light and fresh. She often uses a lightweight foundation or tinted moisturizer to let her skin's natural radiance shine through. To enhance her glow, she adds a bit of cream bronzer and highlighter on the high points of her face, like her cheekbones and nose, for a soft, sun-kissed finish. This minimal makeup look enhances her bronzed complexion without overpowering it. Here's a quick recap of Margot's beauty routine for that natural, radiant glow. Exfoliate before applying self-tanner for a smooth, even finish. Use a self-tanning mousse like Saint Tropez for a gradual, natural tan without sun exposure. Apply SPF daily to protect your skin from UV damage. Keep skin hydrated with serums and moisturizers, focusing on dewy, nourishing products. Opt for light makeup with cream bronzers and highlighters to enhance her sun-kissed look. And there you have it, glow-getters! That's how Margot Robbie achieves her beautiful, bronzed glow and keeps her skin healthy and radiant. If you're looking to get that golden, natural look like Margot, give these tips a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more celebrity beauty secrets. Stay glowing, and see you next time.